Hi, this is Devin Helming, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on fungicide in corn and the timing of it specifically. A couple things that I'll look at initially, and here you can just kind of see the canopy, but I like to see, how clean is the canopy in terms of lesions. Right now, I'll just say that this field that I'm in really looks to be pretty clean and free from disease lesions. So then I like to look and see, okay, well, how's the pollination process going? The tassels, if you can see that, they are shedding, and the silks here are definitely out. So pollination has taken place, but when I have a clean canopy like this, I like to let the silks just get a little bit of a brownish hue to them, kind of turning towards that brown silk when pollination has completed. And the reason for that is because I find that a lot of the diseases, northern leaf blight sticks out in my mind as being one that comes in late in the grain fill period, and I just like to extend that residual deeper into the grain fill period. Another thing that I like to look for is just rootworm beetles and whatever other bugs might be flying around. Now this happens to be a rotated ground, and there's really not much flying around. In some cornfields, I am definitely finding some rootworm beetles, but this is a time where, when I'm out there with the fungicide decisions, it's also when the beetles are really coming out. So if there are a lot of those flying around, then we can manage for those by putting some insecticide in too. So I just like to be aware of what is the beetle population out here too. Okay, so here I am. I'm actually kneeling in a soybean field. What I wanted to show is, as we're thinking about fungicide in beans, the timing and staging of the plant. We hear R2, we hear R3. What does that mean? Well, if I look at this plant right here, you definitely can see some, some pods on them, but it is towards the base of the plant. What we really want to concern ourselves with when we're staging a soybean plant is the top 4 nodes. So if I look here, I've got 1 there, 2, 3, 4. So this would be the 4th node, and then what we want to see is a bean or a pod that is 3/8 of an inch in length, and this would meet that. So here we would have an R3 bean. So even though we may see really big pods early on down in the plant, it's the top uppermost 4 nodes that we concern ourselves with.